Hi, this is Tracy with Beyond 20. Today, just want to take a couple minutes here to look at some catalog items, just some settings that we have here. Want to look at like how do I make sure that attachments are mandatory, things like that, or how do I hide the service card? Nothing groundbreaking, but when you need it, you need it, and if you don't know where to find it, it can cause issues. So I'm just going to go into one of my service catalogs, maintain items. Got a test catalog item here. And then in our first set of tabs here, we see portal settings. It's going to be right here. So here's your mandatory attachment. You can hide your add to wish list. You can hide the attachment. You can hide add the cart, add quality, or sorry, quantity. You can add hide delivery time. So I have had to use this mandatory attachment before. I've used a few other ones. I mean, it works like a charm. As soon as you select it, if for this catalog entry you are unable to submit without um, having an attachment. Now, if you need to do it, um, not every time, right? If you are asking a question and the client selects an answer and based on that, that's what the one attachment is due or not. You are able to do that. We're not going to cover that in this video. That gets into more of the scripting side, but I just wanted to touch on that you are able to do that as well. For this video, like I said, portal settings, we do have the mandatory attachment right here. Thanks, and have a great day.